Tater Crusader coming at you with an update on the crate potatoes. These are going to be getting pulled today. They're died back, and as you can see, they're no longer producing. Got this one over here on its way out, and this one here is green still, but it's going to be going dead here. I don't want to leave these other ones in the soil too long, so we're almost to 90 days, so I'm going to be pulling these today. Some buckets. Got one going dead, and the other ones are almost there. And then this one's got some going dead, but mixed in with the rose bush. All right, harvest time. All right, I'm gonna take these taters out of the ground, the crates, keep it a little neater. As you can see, some of the roots are hanging on. We got her out. It's time to harvest. All right, let's harvest these potatoes. Found a spot in the shade. Got 98 degrees in the Central Valley today, so try to save every bit of sweat I can. 98 degrees is just too hot. These babies are done. They've been done a few days. We're pulling it because we're not gonna get any extra out of those. We don't want the other ones being in too long. Potato number one. Baby. Number two. Number three, not so big. Number four. Big. Number five, good one. Number six, not so big. And number seven. I believe that's it. We didn't get as much as I thought we'd get on this one. I thought we had a pretty good growing conditions and all, but didn't pump out the potatoes on that one. So we got a 7. Yep. And the baby taters. All right. See ya next harvest.